In that originally sealed space, dust seemed to have found a home. It accumulated freely in the corners. There were also some unidentified stains. For electronics enthusiasts, the iPhone is as exquisite as a work of art. This includes today's iPhone 12 mini. Its weight and size make it very suitable for one-handed operation. But its biggest drawback is its smaller battery. 2 charges a day. Even 3. No wonder there hasn't been a mini since the iPhone 14 series. Apple users experience battery anxiety. Follow us. Over 1,000 stores nationwide are here to serve you. Here's the whole process of transplanting the phone's battery. Fans, enjoy the show. Here we go. They're really here. Music playing, no translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. No translation needed. No translation needed. No translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. No translation needed. No translation needed. No translation needed. No. She'll think about it. In that magical cup. She's so handsome. Music playing, no translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. Music playing, no translation needed. Come on. She doesn't want to make videos anymore. She doesn't want to edit videos anymore. She wants to go clubbing.